In this video, we will create a GUI application where we can see stock market and crypto prices using TradingView and Customtkinter libraries. First, you will learn how to use the TradingView library. There are 3 entries, 1 button, and label object in the application. After entering the values into the entry objects, when the button is pressed, the current price is displayed in the label object. We will remake the project with you. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. So let's start. First, I will transfer the TradingView library. I can use this code in the console screen. I import the necessary libraries. I will create a variable. I can access stock market and crypto prices using the handler function. I need values such as symbol, screener, exchange, and interval. Interval represents the frequency at which data is updated. I set it to 1 minute. We can use this website for symbol, screener, and exchange values. I will add the link to the website in the video description. For example, we want to reach the Tesla stock market price. You can see screener, exchange, and symbol values here. Now let's match the variables with appropriate values. I print the variable to the console screen with the print command. But it doesn't mean anything. It is not in a readable format. Let's try the getAnalysis function. Still, the data is not in readable format. We can access summary data with the summary function. It offers a recommendation based on buy, sell, and neutral data. We can access all indicators. You can directly access any indicator you want. For example, let's try to access the open indicator. The open indicator will show us the current value of Tesla stock. For example, we want to see the price of Bitcoin. We can reach appropriate values by using the website. I map variables to appropriate values. You can see the Bitcoin price this way. You can also access other indicator values. For example, let's take a look at the RSI value. You can get suggestions by using the summary function. You can take a look at currency pairs. This time I will use the Forex exchange. Now I start creating the desktop application that I showed at the beginning of the video. You can transfer the Customtkinter library to the project with this code. I import the Customtkinter library. I set the view mode to dark. I set the color theme to blue. I'm creating a window. I am adjusting the window title. I adjust the window size. I use the main loop function to prevent the window from closing suddenly. I created an empty window. I will create an entry object for the symbol value. I send the window variable and text values to the entry object. I add the object to the window using the place function. I added the entry object to the application for the symbol value. I will add the entry object for the screener value. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. The second entry object has been added to the window. I do the same for exchange. I am making the necessary arrangements. The exchange object has been added to the desktop window. I will create a button object. I send the window name, text, and task function values to the button function. I add the button object to the window using the place function. I can define the task function with parse for now. I added the button object to the window. Now I will add the label object. I send the window variable and text values to the label object. I add the label object to the window using the place function. Label object has been added to the window. Now I will edit the task function. I will create a variable in the task function. I can access stock market and crypto prices using the handler function. I match symbol, screener, exchange, and interval values. I can access the values entered by the user into entry objects with the get function. Finally, I match the text property of the label object with the data from the indicator. Let's test the application. First, let's look at the price of Bitcoin. I enter the necessary values. When I click on the button, it shows the Bitcoin price in the label object. Now let's take a look at a few stock market prices. You can access all stocks using this website. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.